So I haven't been out for a night sail in a really long time, and I haven't been out for a night sail on my own ever. So I'm going to try it tonight. Looks like a nice clear night. Hopefully there'll be a moon and lots of stars. I did realize though that I don't have a steaming light. So I took one of these solar lights on my dock and I'm going to rig it up here. I'm going to use the uphaul for my spinnaker pole and the downhaul for my spinnaker pole to get the light up there. So I'm going to start hoisting that light up. And that's right about where the steaming light is. So then I just got to tie this off so that I can get the sucker back down. Okay, I should be good to go now. Okay, probably in about 1/2 hour I'm gonna leave. It should be good.